too negative. Okay, exercise courage. Speak up, express ideas, feelings, and experiences.
Iyan natin yung ano.
Encourage others to open up and don't take
Yung pala eh.
insults too much. Insults is not about you. It's about the person's insecurities and so on. Laging ganon ang mindset. Kasi lagi ang mga binibigit natin, lalo na kung hindi naman siya kaaya-aya, it's more of a displacement. So we displace our aggression to others because it's a defense mechanism. Hindi natin kayang harapin yung sakit, yung bagay na hindi natin makita. Kaya ito ang sinasabi. Which is bad. So we have to be aware that it happens. Okay? So sige, what else? So synergy. Some tips on how we can be synergistic. Pinopoint dito yung levels lang ng value. Kung makikita nyo dyan, di ba sabi natin, diba, sa mga organization, kaya sila okay kasi tinotolerate. While it is okay, however, evaluate, first stage pa lang pala siya, tolerating. May second level pa na accepting, valuing, pangatlo, at celebrating. So, kung nasaan lang kayo dyan, may you have that mindset.
Swimming.
This should increase, na in terms of level, dapat hindi ko lang siya ma-tolerate. Dapat ma-accept ko, ma-value, ma-accept. So especially kapag may mga bagong inputs na binibigay members sa choir para magkaroon ng changes. And syempre, so that brings us to the last habit, habit 7, minamadali na ako. Habit 7, which is about sharpening the saw. Okay?
Sharpening
Or
the saw.
habit of renewal. So ito yung tinatawag nating self-care. So sa pagpapractice natin ng 7 habits, mapapagod at mapapagod tayo. Ito yung question ko. Mo, ibigay mo yung lahat, pero nagkasakit ka. O kaya naman, may mga priorities ka sa pamilya na hindi mo napagbigyan ng focus. Halimbawa, ito yung usual, at siguro, familiar at iba, sa mga i-invest natin oras, okay? So, na-invest natin ang ibaw sa pag-serve. Merong mga oras na hindi natin nabibigay sa ibang aspeto ng ating buhay. Tama ba? Kasi isa lang naman tayo, unless siguro kung multiply natin sarili natin. Okay, may isang Richard dito sa trabaho niya, may isang Richard sa mag-serve, may isang Richard pa dito. Pwede yun siguro, pero isa lang tayo. So kapag meron tayong pinag-investan ng isang bagay, meron din tayong bagay na hindi makukuha. O meron tayong bagay na makakaligtaan. So anong point natin? Kailangan natin maging intelligent in managing our internal affairs or our resources. And that brings us to what we call self-care. So pag self-care, may mga suggestions na ako dito, mabilis lang. So on how you can take care of yourselves, this is about care of yourself. So it's scientific study of well-being.
Mainit dito. Open area dito.
So, sinasabi dyan na kung ipapractice natin ito every day, we can be able to take care of ourselves. So, let's start with letter B, positive emotions. So, ang positive emotions ay being able to feel some explosive excitement. Sino ba nakaranas ng explosive excitement? Kasi mag-graduate lang. So, halimbawa, lumabas na yung mid-year bonus, hindi mga government employees dito.
Walang comments na nakita. Wala akong nababasang comments.
Okay.
Nasa seminar kami ngayon, nasa team building.
Diba may parang sense of explosive excitement? That's positive.
Kasi walang comments na nababasa.
Ano yung point natin dito?